Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mbadi una telmeli yalon ko alka ku TV jibe dono yewo Generation TV mbali tendula mbali jayna alkalla watu menta pour kabula ku TV no madro yewo Generation TV bide mfele murtanal den na studio kono jamme yalon ko wala be farato runga na programu natali mbekela na bankoti wala in English meaning our country. Because it is something meyalanko kumata bake for all of us. We all have a responsibility in one way or the other to ensure that meyalanko lebeki kam banko kan ake kuti meyalanko anin siloita anin kujamaeta. Like, don't just say that you are close to the president or you are close to the corridor of power, then you can do whatever you wish. Gambia belongs to all of us, and it is a collective responsibility to actually take it to another level. Nganne ko kujama lebe kerim Bangkok. Ninata jibe ringing from corruption, nepotism, tribalism. They are so rampant in this country here, which I believe kule mealon ko munsa kachanobi katuna bankola ko lamdaro anin bankola ko wende kala kut mealon ko anyanta mo jama sulala komi. I will start with this, like, to the president of the country, like Mr. Adama Barrow, His Excellency. Wallahi, kule bije mealon ko, they are happening in this country. Those that are close to you, ask you know, they might not tell you. Ask some of the things that are happening. Kalafika itulo diandi kumofwe, meaning kakumol family alonko, you will like them. I think it is high time that the president, Memyango, His Excellency, President Adama Barrow, Proya GB at the fire GBIC Ajeko Banko Betaka Nyadin. Katun Jamabe Sutiara la bi wal mumolet me yalanko ibijele furu yetar kumadi mali folai ibijele katratlo diande kumul folai saje abi kip no la nyadin. Niajibe all sectors across the country, Ministry of Health Lombang, Ministry of Tourism Lambang, Agriculture Lambang, Ministry of Trade Lambang, nenye ministry be jibe tenten, ibalun nalako, things are not going well. Cool man tatakang kominyan tatala nyami. Gosom kulit me ang kolom tonyati, mul safa me. Just take an example, me ang ko silol milyalong ko wale the data sign. Eka siloli jemel the data mamme pake kajebe tinyaka. Come on, Gambia should move away from that. Ka kuoli ke dorong, puru ngaje ko ya ngakele, Gambia di una felentiring, ali nyajele, wanyante kela kuti me yalong ko mbete ya. Talep tano to me yalong ko lama kanifinti me yalong ko amanjam fa janna fa, kanifing. Wallahi, ndata kanifing, nkamuli je, sasatul kata lari nyaming, that itself, sasa found Momandar kende yaring, abe sasarin, abe condition o men fonto o fomu sasalit. Allah mkuti me alonko asimoni okia. For the Ministry of Health, Minister me alonko atelebiji. Fane ne si Taliban President Barrow, kan itandala ko, tonya. Ni na health sector, do na health post, health centers, the hospital, cool man tartakuka. Fudo ate katale rek afa President Barrow, yes, ni tala jebel to AC lebije everything. Allah ndada kanifing e kaje stand fane ko londi sasa tul fan katar je melialon ko ila deni ko la le falle katari buli katay fam finjaka sayo o ko do mi yalon ka bebe Gambia abe kadum o kata min dore every year e ka budget men dada ya fa ko nyimbita Ministry of Health o kata o budget o kata min dore. President Barrow alon ko jamabi dala wallahi mollo mi melialon ko imal lafina. This is the truth. Jama bije ba fo kebe wurkan if they really love you, if they really want best for you, life after presidency, ibe kumul le fole melialon ko lebe kering. Wallahi. E Jamal Leji Dalat sang, muni yalonko, they were with President Jammeh before. Nge jele ni President Jammeh ku Jamal Kijang. Ina ku Jamal leki, ina dunda ku Jamal leto. Mone ma mirako, bibilo President Jammeh, abetarra Equatorial Guinea, o maril betarra mbanko kan biba enjoying. Ika mako nim kuna na manso. Then, abe kumala bake, as the president, etefane siya mirako. Nyim melialon ko nyin kenyin na. Isaken defana na lundo. Andin kolko, e konin tuwule ye ba mafa, ne kankuroje, isi boru wala. Because meneketa, menkete, iya menke ya jambela, they can do the same thing to you. Wallahi. They can do the same thing to you. Isi kufan kit la meyalon ko, wala dangerous stuff. Mr. President, not long ago, wasn't Gambia bondi meyalon ko atele marta food safety and quality. Membige. Kuwan meyalon ko wala be caring o karol. Inata jibe ka expired food. Domorol meyalon ko expired tale. Ko domorol wafi mo la marasel kono. Domorol meyalon ko expired tale. Ko domorol le farin supermarket hol. Muna nambo ke kan katun ko ate kunkilin nala nafa. Kadi be fondi lalale. Ate lafta men na ba karo tala businessman ol bulle. Bari mojul le bije me yalon ko bibi lo wol be larne. Ko kili sasa le bela. Wala sasa le bela me yan ko ate jara no la jam. Andum be yalo nyame. Gambia di me yan ko aba afford la. Purala dimbaya samba jarro la outside ka me overseas treatment abe doyala baki. Ning kemelom alon ko sabadam manne baki no. No wonder every now and then ibajala ibe flyer findindila. Donation appeal be siaring. From si Talebang as the president. Kaje ko muna na be siaring. Nga mun domo re domo. What kind of foods are we consuming? Ndel ka mun domo sifal le domo. Wallahi moya fanyi. Akata da supermarket to mota da supermarket kabira fota da je dono. Aje tio ikole kenyi biya kabo kono biya kabo. Eka tio ta eka kono. Mele ko keo kono ol munyim mele nyin supermarket also. Muna keta because many yalon ko lom nyaton quality eka fenne dealer. So they don't care what kind of foods, what kind of products are they selling in their supermarkets. They don't care about that and they will never care about it. Why? Because it is done ila musol ni la family aske no wolta du no man toro kon. But fuara jolle be kerim bi. Fuara jolle be kerim bi mel yalon ko wo dewni kadu man toro kon. Wo dewndun daw man toro kon le e ko kili sasa soto le. E sasa le soto mel yan ko de jarano la Gambia. Foi kada ka dani roke e ka family dol yi nyum ka ke nato fonti. Pour ye fundi media pour ye dani roke. But why are they doing it? Muna ne ba ke kan katun banko la ko be nyami. Mr. President, I think time has come ke la minister be sindi. Time has come e do kulal be sindi. Kanyita nila ko we have Gambia. They should not only be after their selfish interests. Inyantalon na ko Gambia ole bentele bulu. Nien na mul be ke sasa tolti because of their selfish interest. Nien na mul be ke multimedia lonko sasa le terle me anko ne te jara nola. And that is what we are seeing in the Gambia right now. Wallahi, if you don't trust this, ni man la nyin kola. Believe me, you can take a stroll to any of the hospitals. Eta leptano to melialon ko lebe nyim banko kanja. Wallahi, ibe jakal yala. Wallahi, inteli be yala ne ko. None of the ministers ila musul wale dun melialon ko ibe taro situation okon. Ni sasa te kamuneke, they give them best of treatments. Wallahi. Imokulet melialon ko we need to address this. It is not about politics. It's not about you are a politician, you belong to this political party. Omankumaya. Mr. President, for your ministers are telling you that funding ke Jamal Lebije Melialon ko in niobe tu kambaton. Wallahi. This is something Melialon ko ta downplay no. Funding ke men niobe tu kambato bi asiat. amma me baake Ibrahim migrant situation me yalon ko be kataku balla when it comes to giving those kind of information. Aya bonde kaje ko mo keme jama me yalon ko letuta kulungu do to me yalon ko wala wulta bafuno kabini wo mol banda fuman sakunda finti tala bay kuma kan kabiri wo mol banda fuman sakunda diamu tala kaje ko o mol min yalon ko banda funding kello miti mel yalon ko lom banko ko slodi ka diamu ila kola kaje ko this is not our wish, these are the plans that we have, but whenever you speak about it, people are going to politicize it. They tend to downplay everything even though what you are saying is the truth. Mr. President, did you ever engage the Ministry of Agriculture? Kanyitandala ko sama seno wala si banko bondino. Nga try. Nga joran nat. Let's try by all means. Nga kuli ke milyalon ko wala be kuli nati la jang. Wala be ati nantel fana. Abati jarla mole ngata banko doto. Nga domorol nati milyalon ko, it is going to be detrimental to our health. Wallahi, mosi dalasilu domoro domo. I cost 2 million treatment. That is what we are seeing. That is what we are seeing. People are eating $2 or $5 food, and the treatment me an kuinyanta kake. Allah akita munna akita $2 million or more. Adwam kadan no banko kanda ikata overseas treatment. Mr. President, Gambians are tired and Gambians are really suffering. Let us not politicize everything, and let us understand that not everything is politics. People's lives really matters. Mulla baluo matter the bakel. If any minister me alonko amantar dokuala me alonko is there just to tell you, just to please you, wallahi, Mr. President, relinquish those people from their duty. Because those people are not capable. Mr. President, si fatam fanso mo kulet me alon ko a dangerous ta. Andun awamo ana trubado abe tilinkan Gambia, and it is something that none of us should accept. Nimme si fatam fanso ke, Mr. President, what you should do is to try to prosecute those people so that next people mote mulunta nyala kilinki. Momo balon nalako si man fisa siti nyimbankuka. But just to single out one tribe, or just to single out a tribe kaji ko nyilom fendi milialon ko, ite kala fendi nyimbanko kanjang. Ite palasol sot la nyimbanko kanjang, kulom milialon ko, it is not going to take Gambia anywhere. Mr. President, alinga muru tariko kan si fatam fanso men sabu bankoli kam. Let's take an example of Rwanda. The pains that the tribalism, like tribal war, I mean sub Rwanda, even with their recent development, it nola. Why? Because si fatam fanso is so dangerous. Si fatam fanso mkulet me yalonko. Nanata amukamotuje. Just take an example. Isi manding ko jay flamu so fudu. Adi unu keta munti, ibari unu fulolet. Sa nol dunta nyola, olbe jumala sasa. Oto Mr. President, nga menje fa wolom si fatam fansi pol milialon ko ibe fota, ibote la molle kono. Andung, ibota molle bul milialon ko palasol le be bul nyimbanko kam. I think this what you should do is to come and address the nation. Kaitan di banku molla ko nyi melialon ko wolle nyi si fatam fansi ko foten ibe kala mollet melialon ko inede sayla kan ko. But unfortunately nga menje doron kabire si fatam fansi ko mol nyi fo dron president fa natale ay baka kan kaje ko men for was right. Mr. President, politiko amanjam fa bak mba fa mba sanjano na ko. Politiko sanjano mbe wala kono. Andung kairo mo kulet me yalon ko mo bele nyanta fasala. Opposition on lomba. Incumbent nombang anywhere ngalon ko Gambian tel yole soto. Nkane kemot. Mr. President, charity begins at home. ila mol milyalon koy be nerrola milyalon koy ka bule kebal like a lonnal neni banko kan e ka alifan neni. I think time has come to caution them keke moti milyalon ko ya nyitandila ko Gambian tel yola soto banko milyalon ko aman tambi 3 million na nayo sifanin sign oton tel manyan na sonna kuya dun tema milyalon ko abekala political manyan na sonna kuya dun tema milyalon ko dolbe tarra nerrola jang from your own camp and you are not doing anything. Are they being protected by you? This is what people are going to say. And they will be right if they say it. Nobody can deny that. Ikwela suokono. Niaji watu wati that diul ka bero fay kata wandi suokono. And if you kata suokono, urabe diariyel. And this is something may alonko attentel sambala plan. Mr. President, the youths are without employment. Funding ke olwe siring do ku table. Funding ke jama BJB e ka karaw sanda kundan ko banne ka me university bari mo ka do ku soto muneketa do ku te banko kan wala na mo jama ni obe tu kan bat. How many degree holders perish at this year? How many degree holders have already given up in this country? They don't have anywhere to go. Why? Because there is no employment. What we are seeing is nepotism. Mo janay pare karana dron already yala doku sikewale. That is what we are seeing. Mr. President, time has come for you to address this issue so that Gambians, we can have a better Gambia. Ateka jarla mole karta fa bato e karbula kulun na melyalonko kulun nyeli etekela kulun di melyalonko is safe tafon. Mr. President, broko be Gambia diul faka benke de Gambia funding kyolti nyo fa be siaring kelo be siaring femma sabu fo broko melyalon ko wolle ka dum banko kanja fontel safa Gambia yo sudato stage to me yanko ko wol melyalon ko ka dum banko kan nte impamada no la bang fombo le fola fomba fola ko na police wol melyalon ko e bijang Durante dino lela banko me anko the population is less than 3 million fonte motol sanno la ngadi police la fonte masin sanno la as the government yadi police la so that you can make their work easy so that they can be patrolling throughout the day and night to ensure that Gambian people are safe. Mr. President, Gambians are no longer safe in this country. What mo si tamatula jang atakarra ko mafelel bari say mo di bodunda dawda dro asala mobile o dunda kun kata ka sila munna aske for these people ebe kala moti me yalon ko iben attack la iben fala me fokan na funding ke kerkero lela inu sambayna ta janne yafa me yafa. We all know that that was not the first crime that the person committed, but because I alone the first crime I been commit ya bulal nga jele jang me yalon ko mechanical ma electrician no ma ya fa jang wol be mun na fale kilila badi ni ani la family. But are we really talking about this issue? Fanyin ko mo kulet me yalon ko be fenki kan political parties nyabe la le motol be sankan me yalon di a pickups masionnom wol jamal le be sankan abe dikan the alliance Allah partner la and the NPP mon. But police are there. Ekata station no la masingu famo kataribo. If you don't know, I will tell you. Go to provincial Gambia, you will see a police station masingu famo table. Sometimes ikadun sate ole kone masingu fuji. If you don't know this, I will tell you this for free. Have we ever thought of this? Nani amiral bankaje ko these are some of the things happening. Silol bedadaka without drainage system. Ninjio nata ko alandaro. Fo nya alandaro lo. Ngamen fo mole alandaro kay mota tambino la. Baro alandar sifam kala Gambia kan. Isafu benna ko. Wala nyanta tin nantal jio be karbun na mole kan. Wala nyanta tin na silol milialan ko yi dada sain. Silol ni leke fendi me ya ko tinya. Oto bal katama silol kan dre katinya. Kodul katamin to. Kodol kata min totale Ministers are safe with their children, but poor Gambians are not safe. Minister can motole borni millions dollars is motole kolle borni. But poor Gambians are walking on foot, and not only that, they are not safe. Ibe tama kesiona, tilobe kandering, minister be dundina moto kono me anko ndeleka tax yo. O tak moto nyi ka dua kono le ACBG full time. Wallahi Gambia dun ibe suffering because he ka oddly suffer. Poor Gambians are there. They are suffering and kala suffering fanang they are not safe. Nibe tama le be koma fenel. Mr. President, time has come for us to protect our religious leaders also. Na dina nyaton kol ke tanka. Melialon kol lebe nerwal social media. Kan itande ko yende kala mutu me anko imanyena bula dina nyaton kol la. Dina nyaton kol lod la jang muta fona. Bulorin kulud la balto nyim banko kanja. By right, nobody should just be going out insulting our religious leaders like that. We shouldn't allow it to happen, and the president should take a step to ensure that religious leaders are protected. Because Mr. President, last time we had a program here whereby Arabic school student, there's a sharp difference between Arabic school student and English school student, which is supposed not to be. We are all Gambians and they are paying tax just like us. So if buses could be provided to English school students, why not Arabic school students? What is the difference? Because we all need to understand Gambia banko mun betalti. This country, it belongs to all of us. And to make sure that nga banko dada and the kelambela kundumolati purkaje Gambia tanyor. But what are we seeing? Corruption upon corruption. Man sakunda na naman accept ko yung corruption okay. Even if they are at fault, they will never and ever accept it. They will try to justify it to say what we have done is the truth. But what are we seeing also among the Gambians, especially when it comes to political parties? Political party fa nyantan nako. Gambia interest nyantanala first before anybody's interest. Gambians are really suffering. Alikanelo suffering ta kaje ko you take that as an advantage ka ke fenti mi yalon ko wala bije. Gambia diun fa nyantalon na ko. Nyaton ko katum mo mealon ko wala kalasata. Kanyaton ko tum mo mealon ko asimbang ko sambano. It is a responsibility on every Gambians. Kaje ko na banko nga nyaton ko tambin ning kana jiba bota si jomal da bota pati jomal da bi nyaadi la betenne no dindel lata ko mo wala mot me anko si gambe don nyafita. Let us all make sure that nga mo nat mi yalon ko abakel na moli jibe bo jang ya Gambians ye famine kele. But what are we seeing? Senegalese will come and tell them al bedaming na kenala mijit. Allah, this is something that is so pathetic. Yela dula tutu yela sama senoke. Fosa yela sam senefo jabitakang. Moy now just within a split minute akafe ko. Nyimukule nyim dula mun detalt. Yemen to dwal boje. I think, Mr. President, as the president of the nation, you need to engage your counterpart, just Basir Jomai Faye, to make him understand that what is happening is not right. You cannot just come with your guns to our people. This is something that we shouldn't allow in our country, and it is a responsibility me along all Gambians. Ngalonko wala bijin. Nkanaje ko nde kunkilin na nafal. Yeah, I am close to the president. My namano sono yatale. Ndem mala sono yatale. But how many Gambians are there? Me alonko kabaluo fong sota kapale. Allah, if you don't know, I will tell you today. If you are into these philanthropic work, non-profitable organizational melbijam, ask them day and night how many people are reaching out to them to tell them that be namano mansoto. Depanso fong mansoto. Dimbal bijibe kumbokang imam fensoto. If you don't know, just ask those people. That will tell you everything. until we have it. It is there. One of the foundation called Mawadda. We have youths there. Those youths, every time people will reach out, thinking that we are rich or we have everything. Why? Because Gambians are really suffering. Some families will tell you that it is now 2 days. Katamano sumanne. Am kasifa am kanna dimbal fancy. O me alon ka tele min atla minister atla kodo ka minister jo. O minister mu ke miral lo ko mbalwo fona de. Wala balwo sone adala maybe sound ne fona sone ad. But minister o minister elamwe. Man sakundao do kula o man sakunda do kula elamwe. Mo mondin na mi marandi bankola kuola elamwe. Wallahi ila suto kaburu folo ila suda folo ila kaburo kon mote tarraje membe ma koyla lum folo mi alon koy be bulale la kaburo kon o suto mi alon ko abi tarraje wallahi mote tarraje mi alon ko abi ma koyla. Yes, isi gammedi un nakodo do manon. Yes, you can take advantage of poor Gambians. That one, yes, you can do it. Katun ko sembole bebul katun ko ferole bebul ni mo benta dawda iba winnale ite kule katalala kume yalon ko abi nola bari mira lunna mi yalon ko on fuarol mi yalon ko e jutute la num wolle bite la kaburo sin fuarol mi yalon ko e jutute la wolle bi lale kam yesamba kaburo o fuarol mi yalon ko e jutute la num wallahi walla be kala moti melyalon ko ibe dunni la kabro kon o fuarol melyalon go e fam fisended as a minister or anybody in that high position im kala fo ni nyoje ka diamu e fam wallahi ni lolu nyim bang dunya bula ifata walla be kala moti melyalon ko ibe samble la kabro kon walla be kala moti melyalon ko ibe badela walla be kala moti melyalon ko ibe la kabro sinna wa just what melyalon ko fanga mallo midi will be na lately. Even lately yela moto londi kom ya londi koma fo arol le betar na nyaat ina day buli la moto leta. This is just common sense. The money that they give you, put it into good use. Iko Gambia be la kodolam nyenti ima fo ko saw kunda be la kodolam ima fo danjo kunda be la kodolam ima fo toure kunda damman na kodolam ima fo ko saw kunda damman na kodo sisi kunda fo ko Gambia be la kodolam ete ko domo e ka siakan e ka bula moto la Gambia diun melan ko moto men fuel kan e ka te moti me yalon ko ibije Gambians are doing everything for you. And next to our parliamentarians, wallahi alifana ye mira Gambia diun ne alikiji with the hope that you are going to wipe their tears. But how many parliamentarians me yalonko Italy BJ for their constituency? They are there for themselves. EBJ fund just to fill their pockets to go and attend the sittings. Ni dadije ni parta yepula motora. Some parliamentarians are there. If they want to make a decision, instead of going to their people, you know what they will do? They will make a phone call. Phone call, they talk to their people. This is what they do. And people still are backing them. Because Muneketa, Naboda Sate killing. Because Muneketa, Naboda political party killing. How many political parties here me along ka finda ka tonya fala parliamentarian? Ka fa ko le nyimmen kita mam betea. Parliamentarian they came. In other time when nga motol di la me anko 2 million or more. E ka bula wala AC ba kon. But some parliamentarians are there. You will never even hear them in the parliament, let alone introducing a bill. How many parliamentarians just even introduce a bill? How many of them? They will never do anything just to be there, yes or no. Just raising your hand. Is that what you are there for? You are there just people to be saying rubber stamp, puppet. You are not there for that. You are there for your own people to make sure that Mo ma for parliamentarian doku mi indieta ye silo doku nyinke. Nobody say that. But they have an oversight function to legislate laws kalwa nat melialonko abe banko di mako ila. But how many parliamentarians are doing that? Wallahi, I posted a parliamentarians on Kongo TV. People were texting me, telling me that we from this constituency, we don't even know this parliamentarian. Wallahi, you should resign. Wallahi, you should resign because you have disappointed your people. Parliamentarian will be Jimelialonko. They will never talk in parliament. They are there. Only few are talking. And when they came, nga moto sang nga dilan, clothing allowance nga dilan, nga everything dilan. Iba enjoy kam. But hannim banko dun damantoro kon. For them to come out and address it, they will not do it. Because what happened? I belong to NPP. Oh, I belong to UDP. I belong to North Alliance. I belong to this. If I talk, they are going to say that I am against them. Things shouldn't be like that. Things definitely, it shouldn't be like that. When things become like that, then we have failed our people. What happened? We have seen parliamentarians. Melialonko, Inyakaro Tanyim Munana Yabai. Because it'll la party la line no manta. Only when they do it, the donors Melialonko leki thinking, Iba folele ko mbal kuntulale altakela. Femme yalonko na lonnali found sonda janko ko dinola. Lonnali yafe ko dinola. Aldundel kala mo lonnal. Nal mo lonnal respect. Muna na mo bandal ka bulo lonnal no mal kafe ko ngata badew. Muna nim futo be city la. Mukata police ya mukata president ya mukata minister ya na futo sidde. We go back to our scholars. Muna na niyo for sign. Mo muka so one. Ni mo banta mo te so la ko minister la binan na free kulañ. We all rose to the imams. Kat bul yem ka hañi fon. Mo banna do imam mo kolla. Imam mo binabe everything kala. Yet no imam mo la scholar na ta ko frek e ka so so ka fa to yaate. Ndel mo mo si falle font. Bi jemal lonal buña. Mo ka findi janne bu lonal. Mo ki bakaka. So this is something Mealonko we shouldn't accept it. Nyanta understand nalako Gambia is here for all of us. And I believe the president of the Gambia will hear some of the things that I am saying. Kajoko Gambians are really suffering. And from the presidents, that are ministers, from ministers, even to the parliamentarians, they've all failed Gambian people. Because what our youths are suffering, well, and they be far come back with. This is the whole truth, and this is something, Mealonko, we need to talk about it. Let people say whatever they wish. That is very normal. Allah, it is very normal. We must say the truth as it is. Kamirako, Momoyalonko, come you are trying to fool Gambians. Anybody who is trying to do things that are not in line. We understand that a day will come. On the day of judgment, nobody would pass without Gambianun Lafyong Milbila. So this is something Mealonko. We have it here on Congo TV. Inshallah, nyimbe karna la lwolu kabutala worwula katatalan say to discuss about current issues in our country. Kul Mealonko lebe kirna banko kanja purunga kachela ngaje ko ku be kirimbi. It is our responsibility ngaje ko kulet Mealonko ku kumma balo bajuni mbal tentula mbali jaila mba falale ko ala baraka baki alka Kongo TV le jibe dron yo Generation TV metarale janne ka kulna ta le melia ko lom ku malti me cardinal dara janne ka kulna ta me yala ko lom ku tonya malti metarra janne ka kulna ta le kul melia lon ko benna banko sambala nde tarra jam pour ka selfish interest jibe kaji ko karibi janne wala nambo kala be kala kut me an kon tafala mbadi wal kanani na dron ali mol follow Kongo TV on Facebook mejele me TikTok le and me YouTube im programme be cardinal ale me an ko me kachala kul me lian ka kirim banko kan an ngamira President Barrow programme wade be sila na programme lamoylal kaji ko Gambians are really suffering ala baraka bak annal badim mala ali